Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Now, with reference to the series of videos of the upcoming courses under MOOCs, which will be applicable for students to gather the necessary credit points from the massive open online courses platform. In today's video, we are going to discuss about a course offered by IGNOU, which is Indira Gandhi National Open University, and the name of the program is Social Processes and Behavioral Issues. As you can see, already 4,753 learners have already joined this particular course, and the joining button is yet open for fresh enrollment by the learners for this course, Social Process and Behavioral Issue, offered by IGNOU. The facilitator for this particular program is Professor Srilatha. Let me go into the details with respect to the course. The objective of the course says that a manager in any business organization has to deal with people. So it's very clear from the first line itself that it's relating to human behavior. So it is necessary to understand the behavior of individual as well as the organization. The course basically deals with the dynamic of individuals as well as organization, and the objective of this particular course is to make the future and the present workforce to understand the reasons for the kind of behavior that occurs within an organization, both from an employee as well as employer side. So once you understand the basic principles of this particular course, it will be better for you to analyze and deal with people who work in an organization. The course will also explain the different purposes of individual, organization and society, and finally it will give you an understanding of the emerging trends in the present day context. And as I said, it will be useful to understand the human behavior, and thereby this particular course will be valid for all types of students who are either doing engineering, management, pharmacy, hotel management, etc. Because ultimately, once the course gets over, you will be joining industry. And please do understand, social process and behavioral issue is a particular topic area which is beyond the course and content of your syllabus as per the university. So you can refer to the summary here. It's an upcoming course. It's a 16 weeks course which will give you a good number of credit points, as well as this particular course is highlighted with a 6 credit point. The last date of enrollment, this is important, 30th of June 2021. So the course which is being offered by IGNOU, which is Social Process and Behavioral Issue, is an upcoming course of a 16 weeks duration, having 6 credit points, and the last date of enrollment is 30th of June 2021. Let me discuss the course curriculum or the course layout. So to start on with, it will discuss the social process and the organization dynamics. Followed by that, what is organizational process, individual process and the organizational communication process, understanding leadership and decision making, and matters relating to diversity management. It will also talk about the organizational culture, personality, learning, perception, attribution, why motivation is important, and group dynamics relating to team building activities, counseling and behavioral management, stress management, conflict management, negotiation steps, and lastly with respect to corporate social responsibilities and the approaches relating to work behavior. So this is a summary which predominantly talks from the point of view of organizational behavior and human behavior aspects. Lastly, this particular course named Social Process and Behavioral Issue is beyond the course curriculum of your university. So this particular paper can be taken into consideration, offered by IGNOU. As I said, the joining is still open, so registration can be done. The last part, the duration is 16 weeks and the enrollment date ends by 30th of June 2021, and you get a valid 6-point score. So viewers, learners are requested to go through the details of this particular course, Social Process and Behavioral Issue, and make your own judgment with respect to joining this particular course, because it is going to help you out with respect to your credit points. So this was an important information which I felt like sharing with you all. Moreover, videos relating to examination, education and other processes, you will get updated videos from this channel. So viewers, be associated with this channel. Till then, thank you, take care.